Welcome to our today's video review of the upcoming SAMHI Hotels IPO. In this brief overview, we'll cover key details about SAMHI Hotels Limited and its initial public offering. SAMHI Hotels Limited, founded in 2010, is a renowned hotel ownership and asset management platform in India. As of FY23, it boasts the third largest inventory of operational keys in the country. With over a decade of presence, SAMHI has amassed a portfolio of 3,839 keys across 25 operating hotels in 12 prominent Indian cities. SAMHI's hotels are operated by well-known brands like Courtyard by Marriott, Sheraton, Hyatt Regency, and others, offering various benefits to guests. Industry overview: India's thriving tourism and hospitality sector is a significant contributor to the country's economic growth. The Indian travel and tourism industry is projected to grow at a CAGR of 10.35% between 2019 and 2028. Financials: looking at SAMHI Hotels' financials, the company's assets increased from 2,488 crore rupees in March 2021 to 2,263 crore rupees in March 2023. Revenues showed a strong recovery, quadrupling from 179.25 crore rupees in March 2021 to 761.42 crore rupees in March 2023. During this period, net losses decreased from 477.73 crore rupees to 338.59 crore rupees. However, consecutive losses have led to negative reserves of 816.18 crore rupees. Additionally, the company has accumulated significant debt, reaching 2,787.54 crore rupees as of FY23. Strengths: SAMHI's strengths lie in its acquisition and turnaround strategy, prime urban locations, efficient use of technology, shared service centers, and real-time data analysis for performance improvement. Weaknesses: on the flip side, 10 out of 25 of the company's operating hotels are leased from third parties, which poses a risk if lease agreements are not renewed. The need for additional financing, reliance on third-party operators, security interests on assets, and construction delays are also potential weaknesses. Grey market premium: as of September 12, 2023, SAMHI Hotels shares traded at a 7.94% premium in the grey market, at 136 rupees per share, representing a 10 rupees premium over the IPO price of 126 rupees. Key IPO information: the IPO size is undisclosed, with a fresh issue of 1,200 crore rupees. The opening date is September 14, 2023, and the closing date is September 18, 2023. The price band is 119 rupees to 126 rupees per share, and the lot size is 119 shares. Objectives of the issue: the net proceeds from the IPO will be utilized for debt repayment, prepayment, and redemption, as well as general corporate purposes. In conclusion, SAMHI Hotels has shown remarkable revenue growth despite pandemic challenges. However, it remains in a loss-making position. As investors, it's crucial to monitor how the company addresses its debt and expenses to achieve profitability in the future. That's all for our SAMHI Hotels IPO review. Stay informed and make well-informed investment decisions. Thanks for watching.